So hello everyone, welcome back. So this will be our last class here. So in this course is more for us to get used to use multiple stage. So I hope you get the range of this. So we know that every time you need to update our UI, we use the state here. So this course is all for this because we going to the next course of this class where we're going to build a movie app. So we'll learn about scaffold there. It will be a faster one. So I think we can just get along this. Let's finish this one. But before, I would like to ask you to subscribe so you can help me. If this is too introductory for you, I will be recording more courses here so I get better with my English and we get better with our apps too. So you have architecture course, you have more advanced course too, but I'm starting the beginning so everyone who is learning can follow along. So we start here, you starting use multiple states, and then we scaffold, and then some view models course is the next app. So I think we can learn a lot together. So please subscribe and let's keep going. Let's keep it simple. So let me close this. Let's finish this app in this class right now. Let's keep it fast. Let's keep it's simple. So we can come here in the YouTube and let's create a function because the last thing we need is to calculate this total per person here. So let's do this now. I'll create a function called calculate total per person. Yes, we can do this name. And here we need some things like the total bill split by and tip percentage. Actually, this is what we need. And we will return a double. So I will follow this suggestion here. Here we will have a variable called bill and is receiving this function where we have the percentage here and we sum with the total bill. So we have what do you need here. So I think you just need to return now or bill like this divided by the split by, that's the number of persons that we want, like this. So let's do this, and now this is our function. So we'll have within this total bill, we sum with this and we split for so many people do you want to divide this bill with. So now let's copy this and let's use this. So we need to use this. Let me do this in the slider and in the add or remove button here. So here in the slider, what you want to do is to use this. So here, after they calculate this, we can just pass here. So the total per person, total per person, something like that, total per person stage. It'll be a double value and we want to pass our function here. So here, so we pass for everything we need, like total bill, split by, so have this split by state that's getting this number here. And the tip percentage is coming for the it's coming for this float value here. Okay, so now let's create this stage here. So you can go here and create this stage. So val total per person stage, he'll be remember, and I'm on table double F. So this should be fine actually. So when we slide here, we should be total per person stage. Actually, we have to update this value here. So let's do this. So in the top header here, we pass our value here. So the total per person is our total per person stage, and we get in the double value from here. And in this top header, we can just make this 0, 0, like this. and then you can see the value 00 is already here, and when we have a valid value there, we're going to update it here, that we update our UI with our stage. And let's run this so we can see this working. So let's pass some number here, and when I do this, you can see it's working fine, and this is not working yet. You have to implement this, but you see the slider now is updated here. So what you want to do is the same thing for the minus and for the plus sign here. So the remove sign here in the, we can just call our total per person stage and receive this one. You can just copy this and use this for the plus sign here. So on a click, after it, you upgrade one, and you can change for more number here. So to 30, you can do whatever quantity do you want here. For the max for the split, I will left 30, and it should be working fine now with this one too. Let's see what's happened. So now if I enter the bill here, like 100, 1000, okay. If I put 2, you can see it's working now. Okay. And if you put some tip here, like see, like this, you can see it's working fine too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it's working fine. So this is basically our app. So you can see it's working fine. And we had you remove or valid state here because we were testing. So let's put this here again. So view food stage, and I think it was here, right? Let me just check it here. So keyboard height. So here we had our if valid state like this. So this you just show when we have a valid value here. So it's won't occur the error if you slide here and you don't have a value here. You would receive a new error. This won't happen anymore if you add this, and you just have to add or else block here. So let's see which one is this. This one is the not this one. We want the if one. This here. Let's see. Follow this one, and here we can make an else block and show an empty box like this. Actually, like this. Okay. So now, if we run this, we should be fine. We just should be seeing this. So now, just when you enter a valid number here, like 100 for example, is everything is working fine. You can see, and if you change the tip here, it's working fine too. So I think it's this step. What we can do here is to hoist these states here. We have a lot of states here. You can receive the here and pass for the function. We call this to handle the state. So I think we can do this. Let's see. So we're taking this and passing here. So in the build form here, you can pass after the modifier. You can put split by stage like this. It will be a mutable int stage. We also the chip amount stage is a double stage one like this, and the third one will be the total per person stage. It will be a double two. So it's not receiving this, is the type expected like this, and like this. Okay, so this should be fine. So now you can remove this tree one here. So the total per person, the chip amount, and this split by stage. That's this one here. So let's take this out. This tree one should be fine now. we're using them because it's the same name. And we can pass this value here. You can just pass them here and pass them here, like this. So we hoist the states here. You won't make this stateless, but if you work some more in this code, you can be really close to make this stateless. But for now, we'll just want to learn how to use states and how to update UI with states. I think we achieved this in this course. So as I said before, please subscribe and let's keep going. So the next course, we'll create a movie app so we can learn a little bit about scaffold and some other things too, and keep going because it's much more to come. And as you can see from my first video until now, my English is getting really better. So sorry for anything, thank you for everything, and see you soon. And don't forget to keep things simple. Thank you.